Hi everyone. I'd like to introduce you to the Spearhead Spade. It's made by the Glorious Outdoor Group in Connecticut. Let me tell you the history of this. For 37 years I've used nothing but a tile spade to dig and plant perennials. It always worked. And I had my own personal spade. It was a little shorter than the regular tile spade. And then when I was in Delaware working on the Botanic Garden project with Pete Outoff, Barbara Katz was a big part of the project, and she had this shovel with her. And I was kind of looking at it, and then she brought it over to let me use it, and I said, okay, I'll try it. I'm so used to tile spade, and I've really enjoyed it. So I took it, and I started digging and planting some of the plants, and I have to say, it wasn't long before I said, this is probably one of the best shovels I've ever used because of the way it's angled going into the earth. It's pointed, you can keep it modestly sharpened. It digs into the ground, and it has that little foot pad on it, and it's very light. It's very light to carry around. So I told her how much I enjoyed it, and I wasn't misleading her just to cover up for the fact I probably wanted to use the tile spade forever. Anyway, she sent me this in the mail, UPS. And I've had this in the back of my truck. I take it with me wherever I go because it works so well. I show it to other companies, and our guys use this. And now we're selling them, and they have multiple colored handles. There's pink and this nice purple one, so if you're in the mood for a certain color, you can carry the colors around with you, whatever way of being you're in that time. And I don't recommend many things as far as tools except the Dutch push-pull hoe. And I have to say, I recommend, this is very good. It digs a wonderful hole for 4.5-inch pots or 6-inch gallons. And I thought you might want to be interested and see what you think and see if you can find one. Give them a try. Take care. Bye.